Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you the step-by-step guide on how to create a free domain and a free hosting for your website in Google. So without wasting my time, let's get right into our video. So first you need to save your HTML file. So I'll be saving the predictor.html. So you long press on it, then you click on export. So after you have exported your HTML file, you need to go to your Google Drive. So you click on your Google Drive. After that, you click on the plus sign here. Then you click on folder. Then you name your folder to HTML. So after you're done naming your folder, you click on the plus sign again. Then you import your file. You click on upload. So after you're done uploading your file, you click on the three dots here. Click on the three dots here. Then you come here and go to manage people and links. Manage people and links. So you're gonna put the link. So you put the link on anyone on the internet with this link can view this link. Then you put it there and type drive to web. Then you click on the first link. So you click on host on Google Drive. So here you choose your accounts you use to register your Google Drive. So I use the first account. So when you are done, your website or your link is ready. You can click and view. It. So let me click and view it in my browser. So I'm done with my website. This is my website. So now it's online. It's hosted for free. It's online. Now it's online. So thanks for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll be bringing you more quality content.